Batteries without the solar panel. Let us take the solar panel away for a bit and focus on the battery itself, minus the panel and incoming charge. Let us begin at the beginning. A 12-volt battery is not a 12-volt battery. The 12-volt tag is merely a nominal and convenient term that is used to distinguish one battery type from another. A 12-volt battery that gets fully charged and then allowed to sit or rest for several hours, even days, with absolutely no load drawn from it and no charge going into it even out its charge and measures around 12.6 volts between its terminals. If your battery, under the conditions outlined above, measures a flat 12 volts, then you are the owner of an almost depleted battery that would not serve you very long or very well either. In fact, if the battery resting voltage is at 12.0 or 12.1, the battery only has a maximum of 25% of useful energy remaining. This sort of battery is either almost dead or is intensely recycled to the point where it cannot go through the same treatment again for many more times without getting dead. Your 12-volt battery supplies useful energy in a particular voltage window, from 14 plus volts after you have thoroughly recharged it, down to 10.5 or so volts in use or under load. This is when the TV pictures start to creep toward the center of the screen, and the lights go dim. Below 10.5 volts, there is not much usefulness in the battery. Number 12-volt battery in the world will be able to stay at 14 plus volts for more than a few seconds unless you have hooked it up to the solar panel. Also, while we have said that the useful limit is 10.5 volts, you are merely asking for trouble if you consistently allow your battery levels to fall below 12.5 volts. If the resting voltage reaches 12.1, you have a deep discharged one cycle, and the battery's life only gets shorter. Here is a tip for you. If you have some friends who have picked up RV experience or especially own RVs, ask them everything you would like to know about battery usage. They are, more often than not, significant resources for battery knowledge, seeing as they depend on batteries to watch TV and have light at night. Water your batteries after charging, unless the plates have been exposed before charging. If the plates are exposed, ensure around 1/8 height of water covers the plates. Check the water level after charging and ensure that it is 1/4 below the filled tube bottom in the cell cover. Moreover, you should not just top up with water from any place. It means a lot to your battery that the water you top it up with is distilled and does not exceed 200 TDS. TDS stands for total dissolved solids. The image below gives a summary of what some of the different items we have discussed above do. Next, we will discuss how to split several devices in a single circuit.